Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for those of you who are just now subscribing, which I hope you are doing. I hope you enjoyed today's video of the DIY vertical porch sign, and I would love it if this was helpful. If you guys would leave me a thumbs up and make sure you share this video with other people who may be interested in completing these type of projects at home. Again, thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get into this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I completed this DIY welcome sign for under $5 and how you can too. So make sure you stay tuned to the end and like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm going to make sure and link the colors that I'm using on this project in my description box, but the lighter blue that I'm using for this project is the same blue that I have in my living room right here on this wall. This is the stain that I'm using for this project. It's just going to be the Minwax in English Chestnut. I will have that linked in the bottom as well for you guys if you need to purchase any for this project. I've already printed out my template, but you are welcome to use any type of stencil or any type of vinyl for this if you want to do that. And what I've done is just gone ahead and placed it out on my board to try to get a visualization of what my sign is going to look like when I'm completely done with it. I'm going to take my pen and actually use that to trace out the letters, okay? You can use a pencil if that's what you decide to use, but for this project, I'm going to use a pen just because I am going to need to press hard to trace these letters out, and it's easier for your lead to break if you're using a pencil. So feel free to grab a pen of choice and use that. Okay, and right here, I'm just going to speed it up a little bit for you because I don't want you to have to sit and watch all of this. This is just what it's going to look like. So remember, trace out every single one of your letters. Take your time. Make sure you're pressing really hard. Now, if you look here, you can see in the back that E that's below this. And this is what you want it to look like because when you do your paint on top, you want to be able to see the indentation. I'm sure you guys have already peeped that toilet paper in the background. Yeah, we have a family of 7, so I'm doing online bulk shopping and in-store pickups because we need it. How are you guys faring with the toilet paper and the food? Let me know in the comments. I'm coming in with my stain and I'm going to use a foam brush and I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe the stain off. I'm not going to even waste one of my rags. Now, if you don't want to do what I'm doing here, you can always start right in with your paint. So what I'm going to do is just use this on the top and I'm going to wipe it right off. And I'll speed this up for you. Now here what I'm doing is just putting it on and wiping it off. Now I'm going to grab my paint. This is my lightest color that I'm going to come in with, and I'll also put the color name in the description box below. And what I'm going to do is use a brush again for this same application, and I'm just going to slowly put it on using my foam brush. You could also use a foam roller if this is going to be the color you want to use completely all over your whole sign. In my case, I am not using this one color. I'm using several colors and layering them. I also wanted to let you guys know, as a part of my way to give back during this time, I am offering everyone who is watching this video a 20% off coupon for anything at Kirkland's. All you have to do is click the link down in the bio and go ahead and use that. You can use it for any type of just because gift. You can use it for Mother's Day that's coming up this weekend, or you can also use it to check off one of those boxes on your to-do list. I would absolutely love to see what you guys got in your haul, so make sure you come back to this video and let me know in the comments, or you can tag me on any one of your social media platforms if you're following me at LA Inspires, so I can see what you got. Okay guys, trust me, in the process, while you are painting, whether it is a black or you're doing a multicolor like I'm doing, it's going to look worse before it looks better. At least in my case, for me it does. But as you can see, which I'm about to show you right now, I've layered 2 different kinds of blues in there, which are the 2 blues that are used in my home in addition to the other colors we have. And I think it's turning out really well. So right now I'm letting that dry, and then we will come in and do the letters and I'll let you see how it looks. All right, I've already added my white paint into my letters. Now I'm going to pan down a little bit so you guys can see what I was talking about earlier about the indentations in those letters. That's what's going to keep your paint from spilling over. Now on here, what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like completed. I'm going to take it back inside and just blend those blues together a little bit more. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a like and share it on social media. Here's the finished product. Now I'm off to finish my next DIY project, touching up this white paint. As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below. And until next time, be inspired.